Assalamu alaikum, Dabir. What's your controversial call?
So, Walaikum Salam Tala. So, everyone wants to talk about sustainability, share Instagram post. We always look at these fancy pitch decks. Like, actually, no one wants to pay for, or very little amount of people want to pay for the solution. And I think that is why the problem is being augmented. And अभी हमारे जो floods भी अभी आ रहे हैं, so everyone will be rushing to make houses, fix things, but no one actually took the time to spend a portion of that money. इतनी जहमत भी हमारी नहीं होती जब हम उस ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के challenges को थोड़ा सा preempt कर सकते हैं.
I think also because now the problem's so big, and जब हम अभी call से पहले discuss कर रहे थे कि the problem's so big, the solution has to be on the same scale. सही है? We spend so much amount of money, millions of dollars from the corporate side वगैरह to do the damage that we've already done. I think we need to spend the same amount, if not more, to reverse it.
And no, 100%.
And also, जो आपकी pricing वाली बात है ना, I think when things start, when there's only 2 or 3 players, smaller players, researching on it, again, I think it takes time for any industry. जब पैसे आना शुरू होते हैं, तो things slightly become easier. What do you say? Do you think if more people come in, will the pricing and the costing for it all come down?
So there are two ways of looking at it. That the best example is the solar example, right? Where solar जब initially आया था, so people, like Pakistan has the best solar adoption, right? Right now they are literally in a problem कि solar बहुत हो रहा है. And solar ने इतनी ज़्यादा, it's so green, it solves problems because जहाँ पर grid नहीं है वहाँ भी चलता है. इसी तरह से कोई भी आप चीज देखें तो पॉलिसी एक तो किक इन करे कि जहां पर आपको गवर्नमेंट मैंडेट्स यू that you have to use a certain way, or use, for example, in my industry, the government says that it's mandatory all new buildings of a certain square footage plus have to use green materials at least 30%, 20%. So automatically that industry gets pushed. So policy is perhaps one of the most important things. The second thing that you mentioned, the pricing, because जब adoption ज़्यादा होगी तो pricing automatic नीचे आएगी. It's like economies of scale वाली कहानी. So I completely agree with you on this, that we have to have a solution which is also scalable and of a size of the problem. Like when it's very easy to say कि आप अपना जो है क्या बोलते हैं consumer के ऊपर डाल दें कि भाई आप एक चीज कम इस्तेमाल करेंगे, but the problem that the factories that are producing are like producing on a massive scale, and the problem is getting augmented every day. So we have to solve the problem in a way that we address the scale of the issue also.
Let me add something to it. So my family is in the plastic manufacturing space. So recently, when there was this whole कि यार कराची में कचरा ज्यादा होना शुरू हो गया वगैरह, so the provincial government in their beautiful intelligent people that they thought कि यार ये सारा हो रहा है प्लास्टिक पैकेजिंग की वजह से. So across the board, within the day, they banned plastic shoppers in all stores. सही है. So if you had seen, if people in Pakistan had seen इम्तियाज ने, स्पार ने वगैरह, they all closed using shopping bags, and they in one day they went from shopping bags to non-woven bags and started charging customers 50-60 rupees per bag. Now एक तो वो economically customer के लिए सही नहीं है, and also मज़ीद बात बताऊं कि when we think of अपना trash and disposing of things off, we don't see कि okay, is there a better alternate to it? Now, believe it or not, non-woven bags are not a good alternative. They're actually a worse alternative because they're not recyclable at all, and we don't manufacture them in Pakistan, so that's why they're more expensive. So do you have a take on that, where we need to research कि यार हम rather than हम एक प्रॉब्लम के पीछे भागने की वजह से हम उसके अगेंस्ट 9 और प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर देते हैं. Maybe you solve the problem of maybe reusing the trash, but you create 9 more problems कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मोनोऑक्साइड वगैरह सारी चीजें और रिलीज हो जाए.
नहीं, आई थिंक आई जस्ट ड्रॉ पैरेलल्स के अक्सर हम लोग जाते हैं डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे, और जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करके जाते हैं. सो लाइक यू सेड दैट, सो आई थिंक द प्रॉब्लम इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट देयर इज अ वेरी unfortunate knee-jerk reaction to things. So, for example, ये ban कर दें, वो ban कर दें, rather than having a step-down kind of situation where it's more thought of, and okay, if you are banning something, maybe you encourage or redirect the same industries into industries where the government can support. There are tax breaks, and it's not rocket science. It's something that has been done in different parts of the world way too many times. So there are certain things, ways to do certain things which are skipped. हमारा वही मसला है जो थोड़ा सा बार बार आ जाता है कि हम लोग बहुत ही डिसाइसिव फैक्टर्स और बहुत डिसाइसिव डिसीजंस लेते हैं विदाउट थिंकिंग द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, एंड देन वो बेसिकली उसको रोल बैक किया जाता है या इम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं होता क्योंकि वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो ही नहीं सकता. सो दिस ब्यूटीफुल लॉज दैट कम इन एंड आर पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइक लेजिस्लेशन, they never get implemented because उनके basically mechanics ही नहीं figure out किए हुए होते. So this is a reoccurring problem, and I think that sustainability में भी यही है कि policy needs to, like the government needs to take ownership of the problem and industry को support करे तो वो एक आपके खुद ही homegrown solutions आएंगे. Like Pakistani people are like very smart, like you give them a solution that कि यार यहाँ से पैसा कमाने की एक game हो सकती है, they'll run towards it and come up with things that people are like wow man, and सोचा भी नहीं था. But the government needs to actually encourage, and that's its job. Its job is not to like to ban things, but rather to actually redirect things in a certain way.
Awesome. I think that's a good take and a good conversation to have. Hope this gets people start talking. Before I end this call, ek to Jazakallah for coming on board, and for everyone who's watching from my network and the Beers network, I want to something that I found out at a touch point. Here's a controversial take from my end. When you meet the beard, it's not Dabir, it's the beard. So pronunciations and the spellings are a bit different. Please take care of them. Jazakallah khair. Thank you for coming on board.
Thank you, Dala. Thank you, Dala. This was wonderful.